Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be demonstrating how to create a custom Valentine's Day gift box set. I am going to show you how I turn this into that. So let's get started. So just to give you an idea of what the box is going to look like when we are done, this is it. As you can see, all the goodies inside. You can see the customization. You can have you and your sweetheart put on this box. All right, so let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is start with the supplies that we're going to need to create this beautiful box. We have a whole lot of goodies that's going to be going into this box. So this is what the box looked like. We have our printouts that we are going to stick to the box. We're going to use this stick right here to help hold the box upright. We have our chocolate hearts. We have our chocolate Hershey's, a little bit of peppermint. We have a customized bracelet that is going to be put into the box. This little bow, little gadget here, I put a couple of pieces of chocolate in there and I attached like a little gift tag to it. Of course, I have a customized mug that's gonna go into it. Of course, we're gonna have our little spirit there. And then I have a little rose flower that we can put in there also. This is what the bears look like. They come in brown, they come in this white color, and they come in a green bow. So you can see why I always change out the bow that is around the bear's neck. So in our demo box, we use a white bear. So I think I'm gonna use a brown bear. And then of course I'm gonna need my heat gun, I'm gonna need scissors, and this is a cute little decorative item that I'm gonna use. And we are probably going to use a little bit of ribbon. Well, I actually used the ribbon to put around this chocolate bar. And then I love tinsel, so we have some tinsel to use. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna start with our box. We have our custom designs here. I printed these from my home computer. I used a sticker paper that I got from Amazon. The boxes came from Amazon as well. But if you don't have any designs that you want to put on the box, you can always create something. You can always just leave the box plain because the box looks really, really good by itself. So the first thing we will do is stick the design to the box. So these are sticky. They are real easy to just peel and adhere to the box. Okay. And the first thing we'll do, we'll just kind of fold the flap back. And then we're gonna line it up. Center it on the box, just like this. And then you're gonna slowly just peel the back away, smoothing as you go along to avoid getting any air bubbles on your design. And we'll just work our way around on each side of the box.
I'm unstoppable. I'm a Porsche with no brakes. I'm invincible. Yeah, I win every single game. Mine's so powerful. I don't need batteries to play. I'm so confident. Yeah, I'm unstoppable today. Unstoppable today. Unstoppable today. Unstoppable today.
We have all four sides done. Now we are going to work on the lid. We're going to do the same thing. Take our sticker paper and we are going to just adhere it to the box, okay?
I'm unstoppable. I'm a Porsche with no brakes. I'm invincible. Yeah, I win every single game.
All right, so we have the back side of our box. We have the design placed on that. So what I'm gonna do before I place the design on the inside, I'm gonna go ahead and line my box with a little bit of packing tape here, okay? And that's just gonna keep the box sturdy on the inside. So we have our tape on the inside. The next thing I'm gonna do is take my stick and I'm gonna hot glue this stick right here, and that's gonna keep it stable. All right, our hot glue gun should be just about ready. So what I'm gonna do is just put a little bit on this stick so we can go ahead and place it inside the box. And this is what it will look like. And now we are ready to place our design on the inside. I am so sorry to interrupt your video, but if you are enjoying this tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell, because the next video that I am putting out, you are not gonna wanna miss. All right, so now back to the video you were watching. So this is what the inside will look like. And so the next thing we would need to do is line the box with newspaper, okay? So I've got some newspaper here, and what we're just gonna do is take about 5 or 6 wads of newspaper just to place it on the inside of the box. Of course, I like to use newspaper because it's so sturdy. If I use gift tissue paper, it's real light, and it's just all, you know, everything we're using is so weighted. This right here is really gonna help to hold things up inside the box. So don't be afraid to use newspaper. This gift tissue, I like to buy it in bulk from Amazon. And that way I'll know I've got plenty of it. And I went with red just because it goes with our box theme. So I'm gonna take one gift tissue and just place it over the top of the box, just like this. All right, so as you can see, we are ready to start filling our box. So of course we have all of the things that's gonna go inside our box. We have the bear, we're gonna use chocolate. I have a candle, of course I have a custom mug. We have our little spirit here. This little cute little thing I got at Hobby Lobby. Of course I have a Hershey's Kisses, and then I have a little peppermint. This mug right here, I do wanna mention that this mug will be customized. It's gonna have the photo that's on the box also on the inside of the coffee mug along with the name. So I think that's a really, really nice added touch, okay? And of course we got our little candy filled container here, and then we have our nice little rose. It's not Valentine's Day if you don't have a rose. So what we'll do is just start to place our items inside the box, okay? So we'll start with the bear. I'm gonna place the chocolate on the side. I'm gonna get the coffee mug in place, and we're just going to move some things around. What I also did was put a little bit of newspaper on the inside of the coffee mug so that our little spirit here will sit up straight inside of it. And we'll just go ahead and play around with it. This bracelet, actually, for those who don't know, I do own a jewelry shop. So this bracelet is a bracelet that I made, and that I will probably carry and offer as well. So I will leave a link in the description if you want to check that out. So this is gonna go inside right underneath where our bear is. And our candle. So I'm not worried about these little tags because we're gonna cut those off. We're gonna cut this off as well, but we wanna just get everything in place inside our box. As you can see, I am placing the Hershey Kisses and a little bit of peppermint inside the mug. And now I am going to place the nice little sign that says love into the box as best as I can. Don't be afraid to add more gift tissue paper because it's just going to make everything sit well. The rose, as you can see, I just placed it in the box and it came from Hobby Lobby, and it was about 11 rose stems on there, so be sure to check those out. So like I said before, don't be afraid to just rearrange some things, just to play around with it as long as you need to, and then it will just gradually just start to fall into place. And again, more gift tissue paper is not gonna hurt. Another thing I like about this box is because you can also turn it into a gift for a man as well. For me, I would probably, add his favorite cologne, a cigar, or maybe his favorite spirit in the box. I would probably take the bear out, and it would just easily make for a great gift for a guy as well. So I would love to see what you guys can come up with for a man for this box design. Once we have everything kind of positioned and kind of placed where we want it, it looks okay. And then what I am going to do, like I said, I love this little tinsel. And what I will do is just stick the tinsel throughout just to give it a little bit of a little bit of shimmer and oomph to it. Here. Happy if this is not the cutest box ever. I love it, even if I have to say so myself. But you will just continue to just kind of play around with it. You will just make it yours, make everything flow. I do want to kind of make sure that you can see like the couple that's on the design, but this is so pretty. And this is it. This is your box. This is everything you're gonna need. And what I am going to do, I love to wrap everything in shrink wrap. So I'm gonna wrap shrink wrap around it. So I will show you what that looks like. And this is it. So hopefully you got some value. Hopefully you are ready to go ahead and start designing and making your own custom gift boxes. So everything that I use, I'm gonna leave a link in the description so you will know exactly where to find it. But thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video.
I'm unstoppable. I'm a force with no brakes. I'm invincible.